beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. This is the special edition Mi Fan Festival Redmi Note 10 Pro. We're gonna learn all about this special edition device. And guys, after this video, I'm actually gonna be giving this away, so stay tuned to find out. Right, let's unbox this special edition bad boy. I did get this from a mystery box that Xiaomi sent me for their Mi Fan Festival. It was pretty sweet of them. In this box, other goodies we're gonna be giving away later in this video. Back to the phone. So we have a really nice box here. True to Xiaomi's Mi Fan Festival theme of exploring possibilities. So I was wondering why this all looked familiar to me, and let me show you. This is the Mi 11. Yep, you guys. So yeah, that's why it's familiar to me. I mean, just a quick segue, aside from that super wallpaper, there's also home. Look at this. So you can do Earth as well. It's pretty cool. Back to our unboxing. So on the other side, we have the same thing. Up top is pretty clean. Bottom shows us that this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro in gradient bronze. That special color, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. That looks even more beautiful without the plastic. Ooh, this looks good. This is a nice Mi Fan Festival. Stickers! Oh my gosh, cutie! Look at that, there's even a little astronaut. We then have the sleeve, 2021 MFF for Mi Fan Festival logo here. Let's open it up. SIM tool. Warranty card, user guide. We have a jelly case. We have the phone, but we'll look at that later. We'll check out what else is in the box. Even the cardboard is on brand with that orange. We also have a power brick, USB-C power cord. What else is in the box? Okay, nothing else. Now on to the phone. Of course, we have a tiny peek at what this camera can do. So 108 quad camera setup with a telemacro lens, 120Hz AMOLED 6.67 dot display with dual speakers, a Qualcomm 732G processor, and 33-watt fast charging with 5020 mAh battery. Now, I have a whole video on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I'll link it up here and down below so you can check it out. Now, for context, ladies and gents, this is the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and yeah, it's still pretty even if it's black. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is pretty. We have that Redmi 2021 MFF branding at the bottom. That is a nice matte back. Smooth. And it has the same camera bump, and yeah, basically same placement with the normal Redmi Note 10 Pro, but obviously this is way prettier, at least I think so. Right, I'm gonna turn this on, and in the meantime, you know what's coming, a montage. Aside from the awesome box and the great new look, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Mi Fan Festival Edition is the same phone as the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This thing is only gonna be sold in limited quantities worldwide, meaning if you want one, you better grab one because there's no telling when it'll run out. What's also great about this limited edition phone, aside from it being, in my opinion, the better looking Redmi Note 10 Pro, is that it's priced the same as the 8GB version of this phone. Honestly, it's no contest between these two phones. I'd go for this one. If y'all are curious about pricing and availability, I'll link everything down below. And now for the moment of truth, and because you guys did say that I should shoot a video of this phone and then give it away, and since you wanted the review, and since technically this phone is the same phone as the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which I already have videos of, I'll link it up here and down below, that means we can give this phone away. There are 4 prizes up for grabs: the Redmi Note 10 Pro Mi Fan Festival Edition, aka this very phone. I'm also giving away everything in this Mi Fan Festival box. a Mi TV stick. This thing will turn any TV into a smart TV. I have a video up here and down below. A Mi Band 5, really good wearable. I also have a video on this. And some Mi True wireless earphones too. So what do you need to do to join this giveaway? First of all, you need to be subscribed to this channel and comment on this very video. Secondly, follow me on @isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And third, like this Facebook page, lit website. And yes, I'm taking this opportunity to introduce to you guys my new baby. This is my new website. So for your tech news needs and fun reviews, everything's there. I will be picking one winner from the YouTube comments, one winner from TikTok. I'll link the TikTok down below so you guys know where to comment. One winner on Twitter who'll share my tweet. I'll link that down below as well. And last but not the least, one winner on Facebook who'll reshare the lit website post. I'll also link that down below. Of course, all those instructions I'll leave in the description box below so you guys have a copy. All announcements on this giveaway will be up on my Instagram. That's @isadoes_. Make sure to follow all the mechanics because I will be checking once you get picked. We don't want you getting disqualified, you guys. Last but not the least, no spamming. Right, that's it for today. I'm excited to see who will eventually get this new phone and all the other prices. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!